Hi guys, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika, and today we're going to do a DIY session in how you can use your store-bought arrangement and elevate it using this decorative vessel. So first we're going to start with using your store-bought arrangement and placing it within your vessel. So one thing that you need to remember is that your store-bought plant cannot be taller than your vessel.
Because if it's taller, once you start to put your floral foam and your moss, it will be above the rim of this vessel. So make sure that it is at least half an inch lower. And also, this is going to be a temporary arrangement for us, so we are not gluing it down in here. But if you want this to be a permanent fix, you can hot glue gun it in there and then put all the foam and stuff like that to keep it secure.
Yep. So we already went ahead and pre-cut all of our, what would we call this? Floral foam. Floral foam. So you would want your floral foam to sit within the width of the plant and your vessel so that it will just sit snug in between. You go ahead on your side.
And sort of push them in there. And you're gonna have to play with it a little bit. Yeah.
And what's good and bad about this, one, because it is so sandy and kind of falls apart, it will allow you to kind of fit into the groove, but it is kind of messy, so you have to be really careful with that.
There we go. So we're seeing that we need to probably cut this piece down a little bit. So I just go ahead and score off the sides. And then just pop that piece off. Yeah. It didn't want to pop.
It's so messy.
Yeah.
So we put that in.
Snug it in there. And then what we're going to do is fill in the gap. Just trying to level off the height, so when we put the moss in there, we're not using
so much of it.
So much
of sitting on top.
Yeah.
I think we're pretty good.
Been pretty good. Okay,
cool. Moving.
Just gonna stick this piece in here. Okay. So there we go. Yeah, it's very messy, and also, once you start to put the moss, which here's some moss, just remember to focus where the front of your vase is going to be. So this is our front. The front has moss. If you turn it around, you'll see the back is a little bit more bare. So just make sure and focus where the front of your arrangement is, so therefore you can move from the front to the back. Here you go. You have an open bag here already. We can start with that.
I'm gonna start taking the moss, and what you want to do is just fill in on top. So typically, depending on the type of moss that you have, you can go ahead and use some type of glue and attach it on top so that it really stays in place.
Already looking really good. And some people use rocks, some people use marble. You can use whatever your finishing touches is. It can be really nice with some rocks on top of some marble, and you can either do wood chip, whatever it is that you like for your arrangement.
And we're going to be installing this in a client's home tomorrow, so we'll definitely show you guys what the finishing touch looks like on her console. So nice.
I want one.
And so easy.
Just sticking it under the little rim. Make sure they don't pop. Voila! Oh, that looks beautiful.
So that is how you take your store-bought arrangement and elevate it by using a decorative vessel. I hope that you enjoyed this session, and stay tuned for more DIY with
Sharon
and Sharika.